Wish 107.5. This is radio station DWNU, Wish 107.5 megahertz, a commercial broadcasting station owned by Progressive Broadcasting Corporation. Wish 107.5 has a transmitting power of 25,000 watts with station license BSD-0442-2024 and license number 2705, issued by the National Telecommunications Commission. Wish 107.5 is technically supervised by electronics and communications engineers, technicians, and first-class radio telephone operators, duly licensed by the Professional Regulatory Commission and the National Telecommunications Commission. Engineer Ronald Ryan A. Javier, with ECE license number 0022349. Arvin V. Garcia, first-class radio telephone operator, with NTC license number 16-1PNCR-26832. Roger M. Arcano, first-class radio telephone operator, with NTC license number 23-1PNCR-27160. Wish 107.5 is now signing on.
Bayang magiliw, pelas ang silanganan, alab ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, duyan ka ng magiting, sa manlulupig, di ka pasisiin, sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong bughaw. May dilagang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal, ang kislap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagniningning. Ang bituin at araw niya kailan pa may di magdidilim. Lupa ng araw ng walhati't pagsinta, buhay ay langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya na pag may mga api, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.